KBK installations can be extended at any time. Each component is compatible with the next. All connections are bolted or of plug-in design. The KBK system is ideal for handling loads of up to 3,200 kilograms in all industries. For example, in the aircraft industry, where various types of installation operate independently of each other in one facility, but which as a whole guarantee a continuous material flow in accordance with manufacturing requirements. This application provides an overview of the wide variety of solutions which can be implemented with the KBK system, from the simple straight track to the complex monorail system with any number of junctions and branch tracks for all industries. The material flow system starts life on the drawing board in much the same way as an aeroplane. All over the world, Demag engineers in the vicinity of the customer already provide know-how and consultation during the planning phase. At this stage, the foundations are laid for optimum material flow in production, assembly and warehousing. Once the individual material flow requirements have been determined, tailor-made solutions are developed by Mannesmann Demag Material Handling. The planning engineers use advanced CAD systems, and this is where the KBK crane construction kit comes into its own. It consists of a wide variety of series-produced standardized components which the engineer can select in accordance with the individual loads, applications or production requirements. Components include turntables which provide the material flow intersection between two tracks. Or transfer stations which guarantee exact positioning of the load. Components are combined to form installations and systems for materials handling tasks in warehousing or production, for example for transporting sheet metal to the various machining areas. Smooth material flow to the station, a transfer device from the KBK crane construction kit. The crane enters the station and the vacuum-type spreader transfers the load to the machine. In order to minimize horizontal forces in the superstructure, the track sections are suspended so as to allow pendulation. The single girder crane latches with the branch track. Tailor-made track switch systems allow the load to be transported overhead to the right position. Track switches are branching or converging components in the material flow. Switch operation is either by hand or by electric or pneumatic drive. A double girder suspension crane with a load capacity of 1,000 kilograms. The electric travel crab is fitted with 2 chain hoists and a load bar. Here too, the KBK system guarantees smooth material flow. From the suspension crane to the monorail in a matter of seconds using the latching device and transfer section in accordance with the production sequence. Converging material flow is effected by means of pneumatically operated track switches. Tailor-made solutions from the crane construction kit. Simple and careful handling of large, fragile loads without any risk of damage. Fuselage panels can even be transported from one plant to the next without leaving the KBK system. Here, the inside of a container which is fitted with KBK track sections for handling the load. The Airbus fuselage panels neither touch the ground during the manufacturing process, nor are they transferred to other load-handling equipment before starting their 200-kilometre journey from Nordenham to Hamburg, suspended from the KBK track sections in the container. The container is positioned and latched to the KBK monorail system at the plant in Hamburg. The fuselage panels are removed from the container and transported to the production line. The panel is transferred to an interlocked KBK carrier beam. The carrier beam is unlatched and the panels are transported to the turntables. The turntables turn through 90 degrees. And the panel is stored in a buffer made up of KBK track sections. In accordance with production requirements, the panels are removed from the buffer, the carrier beam is turned through 90 degrees, and latched once again with the monorail system. At the last station, the panel is transferred to a 7.5-ton Demag automatic crane. The end of the KBK system in this production sequence is the fuselage panel final assembly line.